Malicious peepee package hides rat malware. Targets Discord devs since 2022. The malware was spotted on the peepee index after more than 3 years. Named Discord Pi Debug, the package was masquerading as an error logger utility for devs working on Discord bots and was downloaded over 11,000 times since it was uploaded on March 21st, 2022, even though it has no description or documentation. So it could be used as a backdoor to Discord devs' systems for all kinds of things, including remote code execution capabilities. And again, this actually goes to some of the things that I'm saying, which is when you depend on third-party packages and you don't even have a way, you don't even have the ability to judge whether they're worth it or dangerous to pull in. We become overly dependent on that. We rely on that, and then it leads to things like this. And we have very few people who can make value judgments on whether this thing should even exist in the first place. People don't even check. They just install it. That's it. There's no thinking involved. You just do it. That's the problem. And along that line, as if that's not enough, supply chain attack hits NPM package with 45,000 weekly downloads. An NPM package named Rand User Agent has been compromised in a supply chain attack that gives you RAT, remote access Trojan, on the user's system. Although the package has been deprecated, it remains popular, averaging 45,000 downloads weekly. According to researchers at Aikido, threat actors took advantage of its semi-abandoned yet popular status to inject malicious code in unauthorized subsequent releases that are likely to have been downloaded by a significant number of downstream projects. The compromise was detected on May 5th, 2025, and they flagged the version, and then they determined where the code lives, and they demonstrate exactly where the code lives. The last legitimate version was 7 months ago, and it's all hidden under the node modules directory. Who's going to go and check all this stuff? Right? No one's going to go check this. We have become too dependent on these things. So from that perspective, this is one of the biggest problems that we have in this industry. And this is the kind of stuff that neuters programmers' ability to understand what the hell they're doing, why they're importing stuff, what's being imported, is it good, is it bad, is it solving the problem that I want it to solve, etc., etc. And it leads to the slop that we're so accustomed to complaining about. And it doesn't have to be this way.